Hi, I'm Eve from selfcarecoaching.net. Even if you hate the idea of yoga or meditation, there'll be something that absorbs you, that gets you out of your ruminating mind and into the present moment. What might that be? For some people it's cooking, for some people it's expressing themselves through maybe writing or painting or dancing. It could be making something. It could be reading something really absorbing, or it could be watching a spectacular scene in nature. It could be spending time with a pet. What helps you connect with the present moment in a way that doesn't make you hate yourself for connecting with the present moment? I'd love to hear what works for you. I'd especially love to hear if you used to hate yoga and now enjoy it. And I'll share more in the blog.